So today let's see how to delete your cache files on your Chrome browser. So open the browser, then go to the right hand side. At the top you can see there are 3 dots here. So click on those dots and go to the option called More Tools, then click on Clear Browsing Data. So you can see a dialog box like this. So in this you have to choose Basic and shift to the Advanced. So you have to shift the Advanced mode and you can select the time range as your wish. So you are going to whether the deletion for the last hour cached files or for the last 4 weeks or all the time. I am going to select the option all the time, and you can select these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data. So I am going to select this one called cached images and files. Also I am going to delete those files too. I want to let the passwords as it is saved earlier. So I am going to delete cached images and files. So then click on Clear Data.